The darkFlash DS900 Gaming PC Case showcases an impressive 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel, offering a stunning view of your hardware and RGB lighting. This case features a high-speed I/O panel with USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C interface, ensuring fast connectivity and seamless data transfer. Equipped with 4 PWM ARGB fans, the DS900 ensures optimal airflow and supports up to fans and a 360mm radiator for efficient cooling during intense gaming sessions. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, it includes magnetic and panel dust filters to keep components dust-free and an anti-slip bottom for stability on various surfaces. Its user-friendly design simplifies installation, offering hassle-free cable management and easy access for upgrades and maintenance. The darkFlash brand provides a 1-year assurance for this case, prioritizing customer satisfaction and delivering high-quality product experiences.